Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. These are the products that I'm going to be using today for the first time. I was sent these by DIVA by Cindy, and I'm going to be washing my hair and doing a twist out style with these 4 products, and that is it. These 4 products. So first I'm going to be washing my hair with their sulfate free moisture shampoo. Then I'm going to be following that up with their stimulating conditioner. And then I'm going to do my style with their leave-in detangling conditioner and their perfect edges. So to get started, I am washing my hair. My hair is horrible right now. It has so much product in it. It just needs to get washed. So let's get started. I'm starting off with the sulfate-free moisture shampoo by DIVA by Cindy. As you can see, I'm just focusing that on my scalp. When I'm using a shampoo, I never run it through the length of my hair. I always just focus it on my scalp because that's the only place that you really need to focus on cleaning. It's not necessary to run the shampoo down the length of your hair. It's just not necessary. It's just going to add more dryness to your hair. So I try to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. So I'm going to follow this up with the stimulating conditioner by DIVA by Cindy. I'm taking a very generous amount and just running that all throughout my hair, even the length of my hair now, because with conditioner, we want it all over. We want to saturate our tresses. Now I'm taking even more of that once I've split my hair in half and running that conditioner through one side of my hair. I really want every single strand to be coated with this stimulating conditioner. Also because I am not using a deep conditioner today, I'm just using their products. And I do not have a deep conditioner from them. So I'm going to take a wide tooth comb now once I've finger detangled a bit. And I'm going to start from the back and work my way up my hair, detangling my hair, getting all the kinks and the tangles out. Once I detangle it with a wide tooth comb pretty good, I even split my hair in half and detangle it even further. I really want there to be no tangles in my hair, and I do it very gently and I take my time, which is very important. And I also start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up to the roots, which is also very important. You want to detangle your hair very gently, and you definitely want to work your way from the bottom up. You don't want to start from the top and work your way down. That is just going to cause you to rip and tear your hair. And you know, natural hair is very delicate, so you just want to take your time and start from the bottom and be gentle. So now I've rinsed that conditioner out. My hair has been drying underneath a microfiber towel for a few minutes, and now I'm ready to start styling. I'm taking just a regular spray bottle, and it is just with water in it. My hair was dried out a bit, so I just wanted to rehydrate it a bit. And now I'm taking the DIVA by Cindy leave-in detangling conditioner as my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to follow it up with an oil. This is an oil by The Main Choice, which is their ancient Egyptian oil. I just needed a little bit more hydration, and I always like to do the LOC or LCO method. Today I'm choosing to do the LOC, so I love to add an oil to my hair, and I'm just massaging that into my scalp just to get some extra moisturization into my hair before I start styling. So now I'm just parting my hair with a rat tail comb to see how I want my twist out to lay, which is how I want it to lay right here, just with a deep side part. And I'm going to take half of my hair right here and put it into a ponytail with a ponytail holder just to keep it out the way. To work on the other side, I'm going to start from the back after splitting it in half and taking a clip and clipping it out of the way. Now I'm going to take the DIVA by Cindy Perfect Edges. I love this stuff. I'm not quite sure how to describe it. I thought it was an edge control when I first received it, but it's much softer and much more gentler than an edge control, and you can actually use it as a styler. I got that clarification from the DIVA by Cindy creator herself, so it was very shocking to see that I could use this edge control as a styler, and it works amazingly. So as you can see, I just put some of that on a small section in the back of my head, took my favorite natural hair tool, which is a tangle teaser, and brushed it through. And now I'm just doing a nice normal twist down in the back. And then I'm just going to do that same thing over and over throughout the entire head. So I have almost all of my hair done. I have 3/4 done. So now I'm just going to work on this last little front section. As you can see, my hair looks so hydrated and moisturized with this Perfect Edges product, along with this leave-in detangling conditioner. I'm just adding a bit more of that leave-in to this front section of my hair because it was getting a bit dry. I'm also going to show you right here how I go ahead and trim my natural hair. I try to do this every 3 to 6 months. I am not afraid to cut my hair, and I can see the difference in my hair from doing this. If you do not know, I had my hair bleached in 2015 purple, bleached and then dyed purple, and it completely ruined my natural hair. I'm going to be doing a video about that very soon, my whole journey with that whole situation. But I am not afraid to cut the thin dead edges off, ends off, and that's what I'm doing right here. I love to do this every 3 to 6 months or as needed because I can see that my hair is getting a lot more healthier from doing that. So I'm going to add a bit of that Perfect Edges, as you can see right here, throughout this section in the front portion of my hair, just running it through and then running my tangle teaser through, and then I'm just going to twist it down as normal. So now that I'm completely done, I'm just taking a normal silk scarf and I'm just going to tie my hair down. That's just going to make it nice and smooth and flat on the top. And then I'm going to follow it up with a large, very large bonnet, and I'm going to go to sleep. And then this is about 2 days later. I do let my hair dry for about 2 days. If I need to go anywhere, I just wear my twists out. I just put them in a nice little ponytail or put them half up, half down and wear them out as is. So this is about 2 days later, actually. I'm taking some more oil from the main choice. This one is a growth oil. I just used this oil because I couldn't find the one that I originally used. It doesn't matter which oil that you use. You can use coconut oil, whatever you like. But I just like using it to moisturize my hands while I take my twist down. It just makes for less frizz, which I like. I like to keep my twist outs very sleek at first because as the days go by, that frizz will come. So now all I'm doing once I've taken all the twists down is just using more oil on my hands to pull the pieces apart, just to separate. You always want to separate your hair to give you that volume and that fullness. At first it was looking very flat, but once you see that I pull everything apart, it gets nice and big. And to make it even bigger and fuller, I'm taking a normal hair pick and I'm going to pick it out from the roots. I'm just going to put it down close to the roots of my hair and pull it out to make it bigger and more volumized. The last thing that I'm going to do is take some more of that Perfect Edges from Diva by Cindy and slick down the front of my hair, the front edges. And that's just going to make it more sleek and make it look more cute. I'm taking this Red by Kiss Edge Control Tamer little comb and brush duo. And I'm going to use the brush side just to brush that edge control into my hair. And yeah, that is the finished look. Really, these products, I only use 2 products as stylers, really, along with an oil. And as you can see, my hair looks amazing. This was one of my favorite twist outs. I got so many compliments. It was so lightweight and it lasted for days. I would say 4 to 5 days. My hair was still looking great. I definitely recommend them. So if you're interested in these products, please be sure to check the description box below. I'm also doing a giveaway with Diva by Cindy. 8 of my subscribers are going to win the Perfect Edges product, amazing styler slash edge control. So a very versatile type product. If you're interested in entering this giveaway, please check the description box below. But Diva by Cindy gets 2 thumbs up from me.